Hello and welcome back. Today I'm excited to share another handmade greeting card using leaf stamping technique, but this time we are adding some vibrant colors to make it extra special. Let's get started. First I'm starting with a 140 GSM sketchbook. I prefer thicker sheets when working with paints or brush pens to give the card more structure. For coloring I am using Camlin brush pens. You can mix and match colors depending on your preference, but today I'm going for combinations that will give me a shaded effect like yellow and orange, light green, light and dark blue, light and dark violet. For leaves, I am using one with skeleton-like structures as they help you create a best imprints. I recommend having a few set in different size to play along with it. For my first card, I am going in with green combination. Take your leaf and begin coloring it with your brush pen. Start with light green and cover about 70% of your leaf from the top. Now blend in the darker green at the bottom, creating the smooth gradient effect. Once your leaf is colored, it's time to stamp it. Press the leaf gently onto your paper, ensuring that it touches all the areas. I like to hold it for few seconds and then I'll press it down with my finger to make sure the imprint is clear and complete. Now gently remove your leaf and there you have it, a beautiful leaf pattern. Keep randomly placing your leaves in different areas to create an unique design. Now repeat the process, color your leaf with your brush pen, stamp it onto your paper, hold it for few seconds and that's it, it's done. Here I am aiming to create a modern frame-like structure for the design, and once I'm happy with the pattern, I'll leave some space in the center to add my personal message or quote or wishes. And that's how your first greeting card is done. Here's the another card that I made using the same color combination. Now let's clean the leaf using a damp cloth and move on to the next color combination. This time I'm using a light and dark blue combination. I love making these personalized cards for my dear ones during this holiday season, and it is something I always cherish doing. Writing a heartfelt message makes these cards even more special, and that's how your design is ready now. It's time to write your personal messages inside. I am using a black marker to write my wishes, making sure that the text is bold and standing out. Now I'll add my personal message using mandala pens from Brusto in size 0.4 to add my own personal touch and make the card even more special. And there you have it, your colorful personalized greeting cards are ready to be sent out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this simple and creative DIY project. If you try it out, make sure to tag me on my social media handles. I would love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, happy drawing!